is a bright sunny day. The sun is out, The sky is blue with white clouds hanging over there. And we are in the midst of a green rice field when I came to notice about this group of white birds, a flock of heron right there at the green rice field, plenty of them flying all together in unison, then as if trying to hide. Yes. Then I have to shout at them, shoo them, so they would fly all together again for my camera to catch. What a very exciting experience. I love this one. A group of white birds against green rice fields. Beautiful, amazing, wonderful.